Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Git with cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started managing your accounts. If you don't already have an account that you're going to need to use, you can go and register for a new one. And after you have gotten your account, you can just go and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page that's going to be this dashboard. You'll be able to use your cPanel account from your dashboard right here. You can take a look at all the options you have for managing, such as your file manager, you have your databases, and so on. And now we can go ahead and get started. So guys, you can see in this article right here on the official cpanel.net website, there is an article how to host Git repositories on a cPanel account. And what you can do is follow the steps right here. So as you can see here, it shows us what the requirements are. We must possess an active cPanel account. We need the system administrator to enable the shell access setting in the cPanel account, and you must register your public key in cPanel's interface. So once you have done that, guys, you can go ahead and take a look at how to get started hosting a Git repository on your cPanel account. As you can see, you can create a clone or repository right here. So once you have created your repository that you're going to go and be able to use, you can clone it. So following the steps right here and using SSH, you can go and find our previous videos where we showed you how to set up SSH as well. So you can go ahead and navigate to the directory and start cloning your repositories. Then you're going to go ahead and be updating the Git configuration. Once you have updated your Git configuration, you'll be able to clone the repositories locally and then push the local changes to the hosted repository. That's going to enable you to go ahead and connect your Git repositories with your cPanel account. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching today's video. I hope to see you next one, and bye.